Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create Instagram puzzle feed using Canva. Okay, let's get into it guys. Before we start the editing, I'm going to show you how the Instagram puzzle feed looks like. Okay, this is my Instagram puzzle feed and I'm going to show you how we can create this puzzle feed with Canva. First of all, make sure that you have already installed Canva application on your mobile phone. And here I have already installed the Canva, so I'm going to open it. And then I'm going to create a new project on Canva. So we can click on this plus icon and you're going to create new project. I'm going to choose Instagram post. All right. And we're going to go to the Canva apps. But wait, it's still loading. Wait, guys. Okay, we can scroll all the way to the right until we find the Canva apps here. And you're going to search image splitter. This one. And I'm going to use the image splitter to split my image. Okay, you're going to choose your file. Choose the file that you want to split. And for me, I'm going to choose photo from my gallery. And I'm going to choose this photo. Okay. And then you can customize the number of rows and also the number of columns. And I'm just going to choose 3 for the rows and the columns. And after that, you're going to click on split image. And you're going to add the images to new pages. Okay, and hold on. The images are being added to my page. And after that, we're going to export the splitted images. Then we'll upload it to Instagram. Alright, done guys. And you can export the images. Click on this download menu. Okay, and then I'm going to download it. And after the images have been downloaded, we can upload it to our Instagram post. Okay, done. And open up your Instagram application. And then you're going to upload it. Click on this plus icon and then you're going to upload the lost puzzle. Let's start with this one, and don't forget to click on this icon to make it full screen and click on next, and then you just need to keep uploading until the puzzle created. Okay guys, and that's all the tutorial for today. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.